dual aspect. Of course, it's Italy, so you have your bidet. Welcome back. If you're wondering what in my opinion is the best 5-star hotel is in Turin, it's the Principi di Piemonte. And they don't even know I'm doing a YouTube video. It is truly a luxurious experience. It has amazing facilities included within the price. A lot of hotels you have to pay extra to access spa facilities. No, not here. The breakfast is good, but you know what? You don't want to hear me talking about it. You want to see it. So first thing I'm going to show you is our junior suite. Full disclosure, they upgraded us for free. It was because it's my birthday, and yes, they checked my passport. It's my birthday this weekend. They upgraded us to a junior suite on the 5th floor. The views, oh, they're absolutely spectacular. Enough of me talking. Let's take a look. Here is the bedroom of our junior suite. Massive king, super king bed. 2 meters by 2 meters at least. And I know that because my partner is 2 meters. So we checked. It's a corner suite, which means we get dual aspect. And at night, it looks beautiful. Also during the day, I mean. And that's the train station. This is what I mean when I say this is such a centrally located hotel. You've got really nice artwork. Also, this is a really random thing. When you wake up, the ceiling has these lights on the inside. There's ample wardrobe space with mirrors. And this is the view you wake up to, and your own television. This suite has 2 televisions. I do confess we have not actually used the televisions while we're here. But if you wanted to. So this is when you come in the room. This is like our living room. You come in, this is our main door. The decor and the attention to detail, I love. Again, you have air conditioning. Most important. Here, this is the other view you get. And I don't know if you can see on the left, just in the distance on top of the hill, that's the Superga Basilica, and you can get there super easily. We did a day trip there on public transport, getting 2 buses from here. Really cheap. The buses are €2 each. The bathroom is something you should know about the bathroom. There's no aircon in the bathroom, so if you leave the door closed at night into the bathroom, which there's no curtains in the bathroom and we didn't want the light coming through, it will be boiling when you come in here in the morning, so top tip. The marble is beautiful. You've got ample mirror space. You've got these lights as well. There we go. And then it's really bright for you to do your whatever you need to do in the mirror. And you've got like this and then a super close one as well. Hey. Let's go back to a reasonable distance. You get complimentary robes. You have both bath. We put our towels in there for changing. The view out here, it's stained, but you can still have a sneak peek out of there. And turning around, of course it's Italy, so you have your bidet, you have your toilet, and beautiful shower with both handheld and overhead option monsoon shower. Yeah, it's junior suite. Room 503 if you want to request this room, because it is on the corner, 5th floor. Yeah. Any questions, let me know. If you know the exact term for the styling of this hotel, of what I've shown you, comment below, because I'm curious. The lobby is super impressive with this Roman style, the Roman numerals. It's very nice wall art. The sun at the top. Lifts are super small, but they do have people, staff to bring your cases up. Okay, now I need to go -2. So when you arrive, you've got this form. See, it's very pretty. You've got over to the left, you've got sauna and steam room. And then you've got, it's quite dark, so I hope it's coming out. It's got some little tea station on the left. There's bathrooms there and changing rooms and showers. There's this treatment room. And then I want to go to the pool, but I obviously don't want to film anyone in the pool. So down in the wellness center, there's a really well-equipped gym. With water, with dumbbells. Different wide sizes. We've got 2 treadmills, elliptical, a bike, a techno gym. It's the brand. Let's see if I can. Got nice stands there. Oh, they've got these 15 kg and 20 kg weights. You've got balls. Yeah, balancer. It isn't the biggest space, but I've just come down here. It's around 12 noon. I think maybe lunchtime or whatever, but people might come do a gym workout. But no, it's completely free. It's got this as well, which is nice. So in this area, towards the right, we have Turkish bath, 45 degrees, 100% humidity in there. Across there we have 90 degrees. It's very cool. The side you've got showers. Check this out, I think this is so cool. All right, let me take my slippers off me first of all. Then there's a button here. How cool is this? You get to walk through this. Ooh. Very cool. That's cold water, I should say. And in here you've got ice. all of these have buttons on the side.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. We just wanna have fun. The truck's full of wine. We're gonna stay up at the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. Making plans so fast we go, worried as when no one knows just how we want it. We want it. Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it. We want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young.
So staff just had a water fight there, which I loved.
We came to party all night long.
Moving towards the River Pole, bridge over the River Pole.
We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own.
And I think I need some
We
gelato.
came to party